In this video, I'll show you how to fix the issue where League of Legends won't open. Make sure to watch the video until the end so you don't miss any important steps. There are two simple solutions, so let's get started. The first method involves using Task Manager. Open it up, go to the Details tab, and click on Name to sort the processes alphabetically. Scroll down to L, then close all LeagueClient processes. Next, scroll to R and close all RiotClientService processes. Once everything related to the Riot Client is closed, try relaunching the game. This might resolve the issue. If the problem persists, don't worry. The second method involves adjusting compatibility settings. First, locate your League of Legends folder by searching for Riot Client in the Start menu, right-clicking it and selecting Open File Location twice. This will take you to the Riot Client folder. Here, right-click RiotClientServices.exe, go to Properties, then the Compatibility tab, and enable the two recommended options. Click Apply, then OK. Next, navigate to Riot Games greater than League of Legends, right-click LeagueClient.exe, and repeat the same steps. Finally, go into the Game folder and do the same for the game executable. If you have shortcuts on your desktop, apply these settings there as well. Now try launching the game again. It should work. I hope this video helped. Remember to follow and subscribe for more helpful guides. If it did, please leave a like and drop any questions in the comments. Thanks for watching.